Crochet beginner, wanna know how to hold the yarn and make a slip knot? Let's learn it. All you need to do is to hold the thread like that and then wrap it around your palm just like that, and then pull it under your index finger and hold it with your thumb and middle finger just like that. Now, to make a slip knot, all you need to do is to make a small loop and hold it with the help of your thumb and middle finger. Then take a hook and insert it into the loop just like that. Then twist and slide the hook through the loop so that we can turn over the yarn and pull it through the loop just like that. And here you've got a slip knot. Easy?